I started this challenge with $100. Now after 30 trading days, the account stands at $7,700. This is day 31 and today I'm going to take 3 trades only, all using my 1-minute binary option strategies. And I'll show you the exact setup that I wait for and how you can apply the same while trading. Every entry has to be perfect, no room for mistakes. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Right now I'm analyzing USD CAD chart and I have a clear trading opportunity here. The price is approaching towards this resistance zone. It's a clearly visible resistance, so chances of reversal are really high here. Let me first draw the zone. So this is the resistance zone that I can use for a reversal trade. And as the price is going in the upside direction, we can also use the recently formed support also. So this is recent support and I can use this zone for a reversal as well. Now let's wait for the price to either hit the resistance or this support, and then I will take my trade with confirmation. Price about to hit the resistance zone. Chances of reversal are high as this is a good resistance zone. It is a clearly visible selling area and I'm expecting a reversal. Last 17 seconds are remaining for the candle to close. I'm very positive about a reversal trade here. Let's open the 5-second chart now because chances of reversal will be very high. The candle will close in the next. Okay, the 1-minute candle closes here, so chances of reversal are high. Now I'm ready to place a reversal trade if I get confirmation. Okay, this is not strong confirmation. I will still wait for another strong bearish candle. And yes, that's the confirmation and I have placed the first trade of today's session in the downward direction. Now let's understand the logic behind this trade. So as you can see, I was targeting this resistance zone for a reversal, and to place a trade according to our strategy, I first waited for the 1-minute candle to close without a breakout. Here you can see, here the price goes up. This candle gave rejection. It got rejected back from the resistance and the closing is below, which means chances of reversal were there and the next candle was a bearish candle. I didn't place my trade on this candle because there was no confirmation. Now if the 1-minute candle closing is below and there is no breakout, all I needed was a confirmation from the sellers that yes, I can place a trade. And here you can see we didn't get any strong confirmation except when price goes up and instantly fall. This was the confirmation. It came right from the zone. The price, as soon as it tried to go inside, it got rejected back instantly and suddenly it formed a confirmation candle. I placed my trade and we booked profit. It was a simple trade setup based on a major resistance in which there was a strong confirmation and the candle closing was also below. To summarize this trade, the 1-minute candle failed to break the resistance, which means I can expect reversal. All I needed was a confirmation from the sellers. So I was waiting for confirmation on the 5-second chart. This was the confirmation that came as soon as the price tried to break the resistance. So I placed a trade and we booked profit. Now let's find the next trading opportunity. Right now I am analyzing British pound CAD chart and I have a trading opportunity here. The price is approaching towards a major resistance and chances of reversal are really high. Let's wait now for the price to hit this zone. Once price reach here, I will look for confirmation and will place my trade. Let's wait now. Price hit the resistance zone. Now I'm switching to the 5-second chart because I will place my trade instantly here. I need strong candlestick confirmation, and yes, that's the confirmation, and I have placed the second trade of today's session in the downward direction. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So as you can see here, I did not wait for the 1 minute candle to close. It's the reason why I did not wait is because the price hit a strong resistance. It is refreshing. Let's wait. Okay, so in this case, this was a clearly visible resistance zone where I was expecting a reversal. As this was not recently formed, I applied my reversal trading strategy, which I use when the zone is very strong, and I got instant confirmation. In this case, the price goes up, it hit the resistance. The previous candle closing was also below, but I did not apply the same strategy that I'm using recently. So the price hit the resistance, and as I was expecting a instant reversal confirmation, I waited, and you can see as soon as price goes inside and it tried to break, we instantly have a confirmation in which price reverses completely. But I didn't place my trade here. The reason, the previously rejected levels shows a rejection here as well, but finally this candle gave a breakout, so I placed my trade here and we successfully booked profit. So in this case, I applied a reversal trading strategy from a visible resistance zone. The resistance was visible, price hit the resistance, it was trying to break, and as soon as it tried to break this visible resistance, this strong resistance on 5-second chart, I got seller's confirmation that price now showing selling pressure, which means that price will fall. So I apply the strategy and I placed my trade here, and we successfully booked profit in this trade also. Now let's find the last trading opportunity for today, and then we will end this session. I recently placed a reversal trade from this zone, and now the price is falling and it is about to hit this recent support level, which again can be used for a reversal trade. So let's target a reversal trade from this zone. I will not wait for the candle closing here. I will instantly place a trade. If I get solid reversal pattern, the price hit the recent support, chances of reversal are high. All I need here is a strong bullish confirmation, and we have the confirmation. You can see this candle. This is a clear sign that price will reverse. As soon as price goes inside the zone, price instantly form a reversal pattern. So I place a trade. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So as this is a recently formed support level, when price started from this bottom to go in the upside direction, it formed this high, then it retraces back, form this support level, then again goes up. So this was the support level, and as the price is going in an uptrend, this recent support level will usually block the price from going down, because if it breaks the zone, the trend will change. So these recent support level are very important. Price hit the exact recent support, and as soon as price hit the support, it instantly form a reversal candle, which is here. And as soon as I got this confirmation, so I placed the trade, and last 1 second, and we booked profit here as well. So it's a simple trade setup. I did not wait for the 1 minute candle to close here, because this particular zone was promising to me, and as this is a recent support, so chances of reversal were very high. Price hit the support, and on 5-second chart, it instantly formed a reversal pattern. Although this is not very strong confirmation, it is a similar size candle, but if you focus on the formation, this candle formed as soon as price hit the support. So it was a genuine confirmation, and that's why I placed this trade. And okay, it is refreshing, and I booked profit. It was a good setup, and now the price is approaching towards this So in low, it can also be used for a reversal trade, but as I have taken 3 trades for today, I'm not going to continue trading. I will end this session here, and I hope you learn the trading strategy that I have taught in this session and will try to replicate the same when you guys trade. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow with a new trading setup, new explanation. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.